पीपल आज के डेट पे जो इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है उसमें एक बड़ा चंक भूल जाते हैं, दैट इज द ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट. लेट्स से उनका बजट अगर 1 CR का है, सो दे पुट अप ऑल द मनी इन द इंटीरियर, एक्सटीरियर, एडवर्टाइजिंग.
ऑफिस, you know,
Correct.
you don't need a खर्चा की 50 लाख की आपने ऑफिस बना ली, and then you don't know what to do with that remaining 50 lakhs. But I remember when I started my business, I started in my veranda. Anyway, we have to go to the client side and do the work. It took me 10 years to buy my own office.
मैम, आज के डेट पे देर आर सो मेनी बिजनेसेस आउट देयर जहाँ पे लोगों को बड़ा कंफ्यूजन होता है कि हाउ टू ग्रो द बिजनेस. एंड इसमें आ जाते हैं दो चीज़ें, एक जो नया चालू कर रहे हैं और एक जो अपने एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस या अपने फैमिली बिजनेस में ज्वाइन इन कर रहे हैं. एंड यहाँ पे आ जाता है ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल वेज. सो पीपल हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू ग्रो देयर बिजनेस बिकॉज अभी लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड पे चलने लगी है, बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, वेयर दे डू दे लैक राइट नाउ?
Let's understand the first one, that they have a traditional business or they have a family business, and a new person who joins the business, he wants to grow it and he has his own ideas how to do it. The first thing the person has to understand is, since you already have a legacy, पहले तो अपनी legacy को समझो क्या है, what are your strengths and weaknesses. Because without understanding what your organization is and what the legacy has been और आपने क्या learning करी है, आप अगर नए चीज़ों को अचानक डाल दोगे तो there would be resistance and things don't happen the way it
100%,
happens.
100%.
But yes, there's a scope for growth, you know. So all companies who are existing, they have to think of a new growth, because disruption is the way of life now.
Correct.
So every day we see so many disruptions. Like you talk about AI as a big disruptive in most of the, like, you know, we in Chhattisgarh and this belt, we're a little, I think so, laggard in that area.
Correct.
It takes us time when the world around us has changed, then we jump into that.
It's almost like what I say for the same statement is, जब वेस्टर्न कल्चर पे वो चीज हो जाती है, इंडिया को जितना टाइम लगता है वैसे ही पूरे इंडिया में जितना हो जाता है तब रायपुर या छत्तीसगढ़ तक वो पहुंचता है.
मतलब यहाँ अगर वो सोच आ भी जाती है, बट हम ना वी वेट एंड वॉच, लेट्स सी अदर्स कैसे करते हैं, देन हम उस पे जंप करेंगे. तो वो एक ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस के साथ रहता है. The new generation, when they come out with a new idea, sometimes they've not studied the market that well. तो वो idea, it's too early, या market is not ready, या properly idea selling ही नहीं हुआ है, and then you put that concept, and you know, you have to have patience. Persistence is the only way to survive.
Correct.
If you can't wait and watch, people put out with an idea, with a concept, and start working towards it. 6 महीने में अगर रिजल्ट नहीं आया ना, मायूस हो जाते हैं.
बहुत ज़्यादा 6 महीना बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दी मैम. आजकल तो 3 महीने में दे नीड इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट.
कुछ नहीं होता.
कुछ नहीं होता.
It's not a Maggi noodles की आपने डाला और 2 मिनट में रिजल्ट आ गया. So like, see, you know, I have been into consulting for 30 years now. Wow. So you can understand, first 3 years where like my husband used to tell, all profits to me and all profits to you and all losses to me. And that's why I could do my business. You understood, no? Like, कुछ आता नहीं है ना. So he was like, what source? You want to do it? Go ahead. सारे losses मुझे दे दे, profit कमा. So that gave me the, you know, boost to really go ahead. So that's the thing. The new generation, when they come, you don't get the revenue initially. You don't get the market. Market penetration takes a long time. So you have to have patience, a proper detailed planning, and then go into the market. It happens. It'll happen.
इसमें मुझे एक और चीज़ जो लगती है, दैट इज पीपल आज के डेट पे जो इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है उसमें एक बड़ा चंक भूल जाते हैं, दैट इज द ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट और द मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट.
सबसे बड़ा कॉस्ट वही है
आज के डेट में. इंटीरियर, लेट्स से उनका बजट अगर 1 CR का है, सो दे पुट अप ऑल द मनी इन द इंटीरियर, एक्सटीरियर, एडवर्टाइजिंग.
ऑफिस, यू नो.
Correct.
You don't need a खर्चा की 50 लाख की आपने ऑफिस बना ली, and then you don't know what to do with that remaining 50 lakhs.
Correct.
You don't need it. Today, you know, I think so COVID has taught us that it could be your own.
Everything is materialistic.
Yes. I mean, I remember when I started my business, I started in my veranda.
Okay.
You know, so because I didn't want to spend money there. So it was the veranda, घर के veranda को थोड़ा तैयार व्यार कर ले, and that was the office, because anyway we have to go to the client side and do the work. So why do you have to spend? It took me 10 years to buy my own office. So you can understand that journey, and you have to wait for that 10 years to happen. So you have to really know where to put your money and how the business has to grow, because that's where I think a consultant would help you out
Okay, okay.
actually.
And
So
what about the generation people? Let's say it's a generational business.
yes,
The family has been working for years on that,
yes,
and the new
yes.
person enters, and
He
either
wants he wants to change
he wants to
everything.
change everything because according to them it's a very old traditional,
Yeah, yeah.
boring,
Yes.
गले में बैठो system.
भाई हमारे तो if you talk about Chhattisgarh, this
Yeah.
bell, so I have almost 80% of my clients whom I work with from three generations.
Okay.
Work with the grandfather, work with the father, and now the child has joined the business.
Wow.
But it's such a beautiful journey, because these kids, when they join the business, don't want to follow what has been written and the scripts and all.
Correct.
So there is a alignment and an orientation which has to be done, where they believe, still they don't believe, because they
Yeah.
want to be different.
Correct.
So that way, I play a very important role, or my team plays a very important role, where we try to explain to them what's there, which is already in place, which is working. So they have to first accept what is working and what's not working,
Correct.
and then do the change.
Correct.
So if that process happens, I have lots of examples and people who have joined the businesses successfully driving it. We have things like, my father doesn't listen to me.
Acha.
His ideas are very different. So what we do is, like, go for a morning walk, both of you, your dad and you. We do this morning breakfast meetings where the three generations sit together and discuss what's going to be the vision of the business, the
Yeah.
core. So we start with the core values. First we say, let's be very clear, all the generations have the same. Normally it's there. The
Okay.
core values are similar. They just talk different languages.
Yeah, yeah.
So you just have to blend that language and bring them into one platform.
Correct.
So once the three generations or two generations are in the same platform, then you have to make the younger one understand why they did what they did.
Yeah.
And the older one understand, let them give a space, let them do their mistakes. So we normally, there's a sentence we normally tell the CEOs or the MDs that, भाई 2-4 करोड़ खर्चा ही करेगा, नुकसान करने दो. That is his learning.
Correct.
करके वो फिर नया चीज भी लाएगा और आपकी चीजों को भी एक्सेप्ट करेगा. He'll also feel bad when he'll spend and not earn that money out of that.
Correct.
So it's kind of a, as I told you, it's kind of a synergy. That synergy has to be built up.
Yeah.
Once that synergy happens, journey is excellent.
Crazy,
And
crazy.
I've had people who come back to me even today saying that, I remember, आप मेरे साथ बैठते थे घंटे बताने के लिए कि नहीं देखो हमारे बिजनेस में ये सारी कहानियां हैं. And now that they've set into the business, they've created their own niche. Then they accept the old one also.
Correct.
So once they have to create that own niche,
Yes.
you have to give them that space to create it.
Okay.
So all the steel guys, so they don't want to go to the plant. They have to go to the plant every day. वो गद्दी में बैठना एक बच्चे के लिए थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है, especially the new generation which coming. So it's not the kind of business that they've thought about. But once they accept it, they understand the beauty of the whole journey, the systems that. But it's again there. The new generation talks about data, talks about technology, talks about dashboards. So we have now gradually shifted from old pattern of consulting to a new pattern where we talk on dashboards.
Yeah.
So it's completely CEO dashboards and MD dashboards and data-driven kind of decision making.
Okay.
This is a beauty which has happened in the last few years,
Okay.
and
Okay.
that's interesting.
Now there was amazing say back then कि पहले के ज़माने में जो हमारे दादाजी हुआ करते थे या पापाज हुआ करते हैं, they save 20 rupees and they walk so that they can save that 20 rupees.
हाँ.
अभी की जो जनरेशन है वो 20 रुपए ओला पे खर्चा करती है so that they can save their time.
Yeah.
तो
yeah.
पहले
Time is
पैसे
money.
की ज्यादा वैल्यू थी,
Yes.
अब टाइम की ज्यादा
समय की
वैल्यू
ज्यादा,
है.
exactly.
अब मुझे इधर समझना है जो करंट जनरेशन है वो यहाँ पे फंस जाती है कि किसको वैल्यू करे.
हाँ.
क्योंकि जिसके पास पैसा कम है या नहीं है उनके लिए पैसा इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Exactly.
बट उन्हें कैसे समझाया जाए कि राइट नाउ उससे ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल टाइम है.
I think so. They have to be a part of the actions.
Okay.
Normally क्या होता है, हम टेबल के इस पार बैठ के बहुत सारी चीजें सोच लेते हैं. अगर आप उस जर्नी को वॉक नहीं करते हो, मतलब उन बच्चों को ना हैंड्स गीले करने होते हैं. तो आई ऑलवेज टेल दी ओनर्स हु गेट देयर चिल्ड्रन कि उसको आप गद्दी के इस तरफ मत बैठाओ. Don't make him sit in the chair from day one.
Correct.
Let him go to the floor. Let him understand what's happening there. Reality face करने दो. And जब वो पूरी journey को एक बार चलेगा करेगा, there तब उसकी understanding होगी कि पैसे की वैल्यू क्या है या समय कितना क्या किस में लगता है.
Okay.
Because वो understanding की कमी होती है. See, college teaches us to a level.
Yeah.
Education gives us that knowledge that, but application of knowledge is a different game altogether.
Okay.
There, that has to be a amalgamation of what your company has already gained, that knowledge gain, and what you are experiencing, because your style of working would be very different from what your father would have done.
100%.
But there has to be a blend. But what I've normally seen is, most of the kids who join the business, after 2-3 years they realize उन्होंने जो किया वो सही है, तो वो मान लेते हैं, अपना करते हैं, बट उनकी भी बात मान लेते हैं.
Okay.
तो वो जो आपने बात कही ना कि when they start thinking कि money is more important, so they're a little casual about money, the new generation. They're more this thing कि I've seen guys who say that 10 o'clock क्यों आना है ऑफिस में, and the father says कि नहीं 10 बजे आना है, सब 10 बजे आते तो आपको भी 10 बजे.
Discipline.
So the most difficult part for us is the new generation is उनको उस discipline में लाना.
Yeah.
कि 10 o'clock you have to be in the table. You have to start your day there. You have to take a team briefing. You have to know what you're supposed to do. Like अगर हम 12 बजे भी आते हैं तो क्या ही प्रॉब्लम है, बट उनको ये समझाना हमारे लिए डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि 10 o'clock क्यों आना. But once they'll understand, then the journey is beautiful. Just to give an example, we were changing the work timings. पहले रायपुर छत्तीसगढ़ बेल्ट में ज़्यादातर 10-12 hours की शिफ्ट हुआ करती थी, and 10 साढ़े 10 बजे 11 बजे भी होता था. So there was a steel plant in Siltara, like we wanted to change the time from 8:30, and I don't know, Abhishek Agrawal was then Abhishek was like 8:30, 8:30 कौन मानेगा, पूरे बेल्ट में सारे 10:30 से, no, I will come from my gym and I'll. So he was the one who started that journey.
Okay.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
First day he said मेरा नाम भी डालो and I will come at 8:30.
Correct.
So the entire my leadership team and my entire organization. And today that organization is 8 to 5. Imagine.
Yeah.
So this is that, leading by the example.
Correct.
This happens when the new generation accepts and when they follow the path.
Because it's very important. आज के डेट पे अगर आपका लीडर ही नहीं फॉलो करेगा रूल्स, how do we expect our team to follow the rules?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So is there any example जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि ऐसा कोई ऐसा specific, जैसा आपने अभी एक बताया टाइम को लेके, is there any more examples which is like the tips because of which a business can grow like real fast?
I very strongly believe there's a concept called PDCA, plan, do, check and act.
Okay, PDCA.
So as a owner, you have to follow it.
Okay.
Normally what happens, we jump into the do first.
Correct.
कि यार करना है. So कोई वो प्लानिंग वाला डॉक्यूमेंट तक पहुंचता ही नहीं. पहले तो प्लान कर लो, फिर डू करो.
Okay.
Once you're doing it, then you also have to take the time to review it.
Correct.
That is the check part.
Correct. Correct.
So checking gives you an idea कि जो प्लानिंग किया था, जो डू कर रहे उसमें गैप्स क्या आ रहे हैं. एंड देन आखिरी में आपने उस पर एक्शन लेनी है ना, जो गैप आई है. नहीं तो जो कर रहे हो वही करते रहोगे तो एंड तो कहीं और ही होने वाला है.
It will be in a loop.
So this is the cycle actually.
Okay.
And this is the game changer.
Okay.
Whenever an organization or wherever we are associated with whichever company, we make them first get into the planning part, because
Okay.
this is something which misses out. Whenever a small business, or not even a small business, it's any business, if it's a big multinational, then you have this planning department. So wherever they go in an organization, we first start out with planning document कहाँ है.
Correct.
Document दिखाओ, planning क्या हुआ था.
Correct.
So and they were like, बात तो किया ना हमने तो बैठ के डिस्कशन कर ली, मीटिंग हो गई.
It wasn't in written.
Written.
सब बातों में था, verbal था.
So there's no document.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a planning document, how do you know when you've reached there? You have to have something to refer to.
Double
ना?
check. Yeah.
Yes. And then when you review it from time to time, कि यार ये सोचा था यहाँ तक पहुँच पाए. Like it's like a report card.
Correct.
So when you're seeing a cricket match, you don't see the scoreboard. चल रहा है match चल रहा है, तो scoreboard gives you that kick. यार यहाँ तक पहुँच गया, इतना करेंगे.
Okay.
So we normally try to get into that discipline with clients.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's the game changer.
Nice.
Actually.
Okay. So ma'am, real tea show का concept is we're gonna be having tea. So you would like to have tea?
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Yes. A tea.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
cheers to the raw conversation.
Oh, sorry.
No
Cheers. Yeah. Cheers.
ओके सो मैम जैसे बिजनेसेस अब बढ़ने का प्लान में है क्योंकि आफ्टर कोविड एक चीज जो लोगों को समझ आ गई दैट इज कि एक बिजनेस से नहीं चलेगा यू हैव टू हैव
Yes.
मल्टीपल
Yes.
अलग अलग वर्टिकल सो दैट
Yes.
योर अगर कोई एक डाउनसाइड पे जाता है इफ देयर इज अ डाउनसाइड इन एनी ऑफ द वर्टिकल यू स्टिल एग्जिस्ट
Yes.
अब इस पूरे सिनेरियो में व्हाट पीपल हैव बीन डूइंग इज दे स्टार्ट टू गो इनटू मल्टीपल वर्टिकल्स वो अलग अलग वर्टिकल्स में हासिल करना चालू करते हैं कभी कभार उन्हें पता नहीं चलता कि किसमें कितना वक्त दें and they end up losing everything with every vertical
Yes.
because multitasking क्योंकि डिसिप्लिन ज़्यादा है नहीं तो मल्टीटास्किंग बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग हो जाती है इन सब के लिए
Yes. Yes.
ऐसे लोगों के लिए आपका क्या कहना है
You have to have a very clear-cut processes and systems in place.
ओके
You know, because देखो business आप अकेले तो नहीं कर सकते. You need people to grow business.
या
So, and we always tell our clients that the moment you want to scale, you have to have a system in place.
करेक्ट
If systems not there, तो आपका if it becomes people driven only,
या
then systems are not, you won't be able to scale
Grow,
businesses.
correct.
So I think so A&M's existence itself talks about, like, if you look into our journey, it's been 30 years doing this. We work with more than 350 clients now.
ओके
So we just talk about, give us a vision, we'll translate that vision into a system and process.
वाओ
We'll train your people and put your people there
ओके
and let them drive the organization, because
Okay.
the system is something which helps you grow and scale your business.
ओके
You can do, like, I know of I don't know, I'm not wanting to name, but like there is a retail giant who came to us when he had around 20 stores,
Okay.
and he wanted to scale to 100 stores.
वाओ
So, and it was like, just to give a little understanding, so they had all relatives who were the store managers. So the first thing we did was कि like,
Replace
let's put
them.
professionals, let's put proper store managers, उनकी KRA KPIs define करते हैं,
करेक्ट
और वहाँ पूरी सिस्टम है, उनकी रिव्यू करते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग PDC है
या
कि भाई उनका KRA KPIs define करते हैं, let's do a morning meeting, let's do a weekly meeting and monthly meeting, and let's start
Done.
reviewing them.
Done.
And you won't believe, today they have 120 stores. So
Wow.
that's the kind of scaling happens
Wow.
when you have proper systems and processes in place.
नाइस नाइस
Similarly, there are organizations who we have worked with, maybe around 25 years back, they had 50 employees and 2 businesses. Today they have 2,000 employees and, you know, around
Crazy.
8 to 10 verticals that they're working.
क्रेजी
It's all, you have to have a system in place. You have to have the right team with you.
या
If you don't have the right team with you, it becomes very difficult to scale.
ओके
It's not only the family members, also the team members that you take along in the way. That helps you actually,
Okay.
and
So,
they
how much-
buy in your vision.
how much does the team has a role in the whole growth of the
Oh my
business?
God, I think so. It's more than 60%.
Wow.
Because if you have the right team, your scaling becomes very fast.
Okay.
Because again and again, you don't have to share your vision, explain to them exactly how you want to do it, so they understand,
Yeah.
and their learnings, that's an investment.
Correct.
So I feel मतलब 90% of the businesses fail because they don't have the right leaders, they don't have the right team members with them,
Okay.
and they feel that आ जाएगा नया बंदा कर लेगा, but नहीं होता है वैसा. You need to have people who can buy in your vision and go along with you in that journey.
Okay.
So it's important, very
Real
important.
nice,
So
real nice. So आपके अकॉर्डिंग में what are the 3 to 5 things जिसके कारण कोई भी एक जेनरिक बिजनेस whether it's a very new entrepreneurship business or a old school business जिसके कारण वो बहुत ज़्यादा डाउनफॉल में जा रहे हैं या बंद हो जा रहे हैं, what are the mistakes that generally businessman does?
when they don't listen to the noise around, क्या होता है कि हम जब नशा रहता है ना बढ़ने की, सक्सेस जब होती है तो बहुत नशा हो जाता है, like
Correct.
we are growing, revenue is flowing and people are wow-wowing and like market is really, and you don't keep your ears and eyes close to what's happening around.
Okay.
So we call it the 3 C's.
Okay.
Actually.
Okay.
3 C's matlab there's a lot of complaints which start coming from your customers which you don't listen to.
ठीक है.
आपको लगता है यार काम बढ़ा है इसलिए बोल रहा है, तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान से सुनते नहीं हो कस्टमर्स.
ठीक है.
दूसरा, आपका इंटरनल कम्युनिकेशन बंद हो जाता है. You know, your team, your leaders, your managers, they also come and talk to you and tell कि सर ये हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है. You stop listening. यार फालतू का बहुत
ठीक है,
ज़्यादा.
ठीक है.
And the third is the competition around you stops copying you.
Okay.
क्योंकि उनको भी लगता है अरे अब तो इनका कुछ होने नहीं वाला है.
Okay.
So when you don't listen or when you don't have your review mechanism strong, when you don't take your decisions based on data
Okay.
and you're going completely on your gut feeling to do your business, that's the real sign for failures.
Okay.
And today, in this generation, when technology is all pervasive, you can really have good decision making charts, you can have your proper data flowing, you can have softwares and ERPs in place, which will alert you of, which will notify you of any kind of dangers or
Correct.
any kind of gaps which are coming in business. So you have to keep your, हम बोलते हैं ना, मतलब वो बोल सकते हो ये हमारी इंडियन कल्चर में है कि यार अपने जो अपनी रेवेन्यू फ्लो है, जो कैश फ्लो है, उस पर नज़र रखो. उस पर नज़र नहीं रखोगे तो यार सोचो कि यार ठीक है 4 रुपए कमाया, 10 रुपए खर्चा कर दिया, 6 रुपए कमा लेंगे, बट हो सकता है वो अगले साल भर में आपकी 6 रुपए नहीं आए और 10 रुपए आपने डाल दिया. और ये जब बढ़ते बढ़ते जब वो बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है, यू नॉट लिसनिंग टू द रेवेन्यू थिंग, it's a failure.
Okay.
Then that falls.
Okay. Okay. And lastly, how much does a marketing plays a role in the growth of business?
Today's market, in today's scenario,
Yeah.
if you see the market today, if you see the things that's happening, the way it is important.
It is.
Very important.
Okay.
If you're not there, people don't, even if it's important to have a good product, quality in product, good people, good team, but your presence has to be there in the market. They
Okay.
have to see that you're there.
Okay.
So if, like I was, as we were discussing, that we never thought about building our own social media thing or neither a website, because we always got client referrals, you know. एक client ने दूसरे client को बताया, इसी तरह से, you know, this is a steel market, the
Correct.
manufacturing hub.
Correct.
So we worked with 2 steel guys, they referred to us to 10 steel guys. Worked with 2 real estate, they referred us 5 more. So we grew like this as an organization कि मेरे यहाँ हुआ तो चल तेरे यहाँ भी इनको बुला ले, इनकी टीम कर देगी. But then we realized कि यार it was not to get business. It was just to be telling the market you're there.
Okay.
Your presence is important, and that's why that marketing is important.
Okay.
And there are some businesses where if you don't have a digital presence, if you don't have a marketing budget or marketing presence, it's difficult to scale. So you have to have it. That's
Okay.
important.
Okay. Okay. How about that line that people generally say कि हमारा तो already इतना brand है, हमें marketing की क्या ज़रूरत
फिर
है?
भी ज़रूरत है. फिर भी why does PwC मतलब as a consultant, why does Tata do it, why does Birla do it, and then most of these companies, they do it, all the companies do it.
Yeah.
It's just to tell that we are there. It's not about we are there, it is also, it's kind of gives a message back to the society that you know what you're doing. Like maybe you know a part of me, I don't know everything about you.
Yeah.
So when you do that marketing, people come to know more about
It's
you.
more of recall.
Yeah,
It's important.
majorly it's about recall, but
Okay.
it is important. Everybody has to. Just to give you a small example, we are working with Magneto Mall.
Okay.
They've been our clients for
Real
us.
nice.
In fact, today is the 16th anniversary of
Wow.
Magneto, so I'm so proud of that
Nice.
project. I'll tell you, wherever I go, I feel yeah, that's an achievement.
Nice.
So we were doing, they were doing, the whole team, we were all doing this marketing activities for a long time. But in the last 3 years, 2 years, we really revamped the entire market. You must have seen the kind
Correct.
of
Correct.
events and the
Yeah.
kind of. So we got the entire and you won't believe the impact, because everybody knows Magneto.
Correct.
You're there,
Correct.
you've been there, and but the kind of marketing collaterals and the kind of marketing events and the programs, the footfalls have been phenomenal. I can't
Wow.
even tell you the kind of results, and the sales, the retail, everything is going so well.
Nice.
Because that marketing, we put that budget separately in
Nice.
marketing, and
Yes.
that helped us actually.
Okay. Okay. Real crazy. मतलब
Marketing.
every vertical has its own importance, and
you
we have to
won't
understand.
believe when we were working with City Mall.
36 City
That
Mall.
was the first mall of Chhattisgarh, and we started working with that group when they did the Bhumi Pujan. From that day, we were involved.
Okay. Okay.
So I remember Mr. Gupta, the owner, he was like, that's the time when we really started going outside Chhattisgarh, telling
Okay.
people that this is a place where there's potential. So come and get your
I get
brand
it.
here.
I
So
get
we were the media consultants and media
Correct.
partners for them. So whenever we used to go to any bigger metros and any brands, so we really had to sell ourselves, the entire city. And then they came to Raipur. So then they knew the potential. Today, Raipur is the place where people are looking for investments, and there is a huge potential in this region. And
Okay, okay.
I feel the next few years there's going to be a big change in the business ecosystem. We're seeing it like
Correct, correct.
So if I talk about my business, the way we do, so we get more than 8 to 10 inquiries a month. Can you
Wow,
imagine? We
wow.
hardly can address to that. So
Yeah.
there's a huge scope of consulting. Why? Because people want to scale, want to grow.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason this I feel the market is
Real
growing.
nice.
In
Real nice.
initial first 10 years were tough, but the last 20 years it was
Very
excellent.
simple.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
nice.
Not simple, but excellent.
Okay.
It
Okay.
was
So is there any message
satisfying.
that you would like to give the people so that they will need to know कि कैसे वो अपने बिजनेस को अपग्रेड कर सकते हैं, कहाँ वो लैक कर रहे हैं? Is there any message to them?
Yeah. One thing which I very strongly feel is you have to be really passionate about whatever you want to do. Just don't do it because फलाना कर रहा है, इस मार्केट में हो रहा है, उस मार्केट में हो रहा है. आपका खुद का पैशन उसमें होना चाहिए. You really want to do it first.
Okay. Okay.
So you have to be really passionate about the kind of business you are into first. Secondly, I feel you have to, really chalk out your journey. Like I very strongly believe in planning. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्लानिंग मतलब wherever we enter सबसे पहले हम ये बात करते हैं कि एनुअल बिजनेस प्लान बनाए. क्यों बनाना है? तो बनाना है. जरूरत नहीं, हमें पता है, नहीं पता है फिर भी बनाना है. क्यों बनाना है? Moment you put that into a document, you're manifesting it.
Correct.
You know that you're going to achieve it because that figure will tell. And so I feel there has to be a very strong planning. करना क्या है, कब क्या करना है, किसमें क्या डालना है.
Okay.
Thirdly, you need to also have the right team members on board.
Okay.
If you don't have the team along, आप कितनी भी चीजें पेपर में लिख लेंगे, it'll never translate into a execution as such. मतलब the journey wouldn't be so fast.
Okay.
So you have to have that transition thing, the plan of team members. And fourthly, you have to really adapt to the changes which are happening in the market.
Okay.
Today, nothing is same. If you ask about us, we sort of, every 3 years we come out with a new product.
Wow.
So whatever we were doing 30 years back, we're not at all doing that today.
Nice.
Because that market is like that. It is evolving.
Yeah.
अभी तो 3 साल भी बहुत पुराना हो गया. It's like, every 2-3 months you see something new coming up and then you have to adapt. So we've now gone into technology, into AI, into business analytics. So that's the kind of verticals which is the need of the hour. So you have to evolve yourself. So business is all about evolving. So if you feel कि मैंने 20 साल पहले या 10 साल पहले ये काम किया था, आज भी इसी को चला लेंगे, नहीं होने वाला है. So you have to start seeing that your competition, your market, your relevance in the market.
Okay.
वो relevancy में ना हम content हो जाते हैं. Once we start earning, business is happening, customers है, so we're happy like यार सब कुछ हो रहा है.
Okay.
And that's where the business starts sliding.
Okay.
So you need to be always alert. उसके लिए you have to have a proper data-driven kind of dashboards and for yourself. Because that will help you understand कि मैं कहाँ पे पीछे रह रहा हूँ और किस तरह से मुझे कहाँ तक करना है. So that is important.
Nice, real nice, real nice. Thank you so much for the insights, ma'am. But the reality show का concept, it ends with a game.
Oh my God.
Okay, and the game is simple. Generally, बचपन में आपने कभी देखा होगा Truth and Dare, बचपन में बहुत खेला था.
खेला.
So हम क्या करते हैं, हम
अभी भी
Dare में ना,
खेलते हैं,
अभी भी खेलते हैं. Okay, so Dare में हम क्या करते हैं, हम अलग अलग अतरंगी चीजें लेके आते हैं. So either you have to say the truth, or you have to have that thing.
Okay.
ठीक है. So today I think the team has introduced a new product called vinegar.
Oh.
Okay, so you have to tell the truth, or you have to take a sip of it.
Okay.
Are you ready for that?
Okay.
Okay, so you're up for
So
it.
you're going to throw a question?
Yeah, I'm going to be throwing the questions.
Okay.
Okay, works? Yeah. Works?
Yeah.
So are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go?
Yeah.
Okay. Which competitor do you secretly admire?
I think so. In consulting, I would go for Gartner.
Very nice.
Yeah.
One business model you think is failing but still popular?
Okay. Failing.
If you don't want to answer, you can just have a sip of
Oh
it.
my god. I don't know. I don't know. They won't feel bad. Okay, feeling. um, I'll take this. I
A
don't
small
want to
sip,
name.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
I don't want to name any business because if they want to come to me, then they'll say no, 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 no. She said it's good. It's we are failing.
Okay, done. Name one strategy people follow blindly that never works.
Acha, strategy people follow. It never works.
And never works.
People, whenever they go into any business, the first thing they do is they delegate all their tasks to their teams, the operations and all, and then they feel that काम हो जाएगा. But होता नहीं है. You have
Okay.
to follow it back. You have to review it back. You
Okay.
need to have that review mechanism.
Okay.
So 90% of the owners I've seen, they do that. Like बोल दिया हो जाएगा, but आप follow up नहीं करोगे तो वो कभी नहीं होने वाला. That's the strategy.
Okay.
So when you over delegate and then you don't review it back, so that doesn't happen. Actually, that way it fails.
Name one consultancy brand that overcharges without delivering.
Oh my god, the big four, I think so.
Any name?
Oh my god, that's like you really. I don't want to do that. They pee leti hu. I know, but I don't want to. ये भगवान तूने बिल्कुल.
Okay, so last question. One client who promised a big budget but never paid fully.
You want me to name a client? I don't know. Ethically, it wouldn't be right because we do an NDA with most of our clients, so it's.
Okay, so
दूसरा question
we'll
हाँ.
change a little.
हाँ.
Okay, so let's say we'll make it a positive one.
हाँ.
So a one client whom you promised a real growth and you made it happen.
Oh, that I would like. It's like there's so many. Like you want me.
But
to
one name which is like your like बोलते हैं ना एक testimonial client.
Godavari Power and Ispat, Hira Group.
Crazy,
Yeah.
crazy. Thank you so much, Manjusha ji. अपना पूरा insights देने के लिए और हमें समझाने के लिए. How much does every vertical has an important role in a whole journey of a business? And कैसे वो चीज़ों को बढ़ाया जा सकता है, कैसे वो किया जा सकता है.
एक बार और, I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
So it's not a question, it's a thank you
अच्छा.
message to you.
अच्छा.
We are done with the question. It's done.
अच्छा, हाँ,
The game is
हाँ,
done.
हाँ.
So thank you so much for giving us the insights कि कैसे actual में एक business work करता है and कैसे सारे verticals अपने आप में बहुत ज़्यादा important होते हैं. And if actually someone is trying to start their own business or get into their family business, they have to start doing and start thinking and start planning on it
Yes.
before getting into execution.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your insights.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
It's really wonderful being here.
Thank you so much.
Interesting.
And इस type के podcast के लिए stay tuned for more.